This video is sponsored by Warner Brothers and I'm a DC ambassador. Hello my friends and welcome back once again. My name's Chris and I'm the Batman statue collector, and as an official DC ambassador, I just received my brand new DC ambassador box. I can't believe it's here. Now this one is called the DC on HBO Max. I'm a major HBO Max fan. I absolutely love the content on there. Of course, being a major DC fan, I watch all of it. And all of this stuff in here, I cannot wait to see what is inside. Now, I do want to say that all of these things can be found in the link in the description down below. So if you want to check those out, please make sure you check that out at that link, okay? So without further ado, let's check out what is inside. Now, I do already have the top opened up, but I have no idea what's in here. I cannot wait to see what is in here. Okay, so here we go. Let us unbox together. Got some tissue paper. Alright, what is in here first? Let's see. So this is first. We've got an item right here. It looks like it's going to be maybe a tumbler. Oh, that's exactly what it is. That's really cool. So this is really awesome. I'll put the box over here. So that is awesome. It's got the Batman logo, as you can see. That looks really great. Obviously the great silver. It's got a plastic handle, and it looks like it's got, the flip up top, which is awesome. Looks like it's going to hold your nice cold beverage. I'm a big water and tea drinker, so this is going to be perfect for me. That is awesome. Very, very cool. Again, this is going to be in the link description down below. So that is awesome. Okay, so that is the first thing right there. What else do we have in here? It looks like we have a Harley Quinn figure. So this is really cool. Now this is called a first edition, and this is a Creature Chaos. Look at that right there. That is really cool. Looks to be about a 12-inch figure itself. It has that great comic book look. Obviously you can see her great hair right there with the blue and pink. That is really cool. And there's also a number of other characters that you can get as well in this line. So that is really cool. Very, very awesome. So again, that is cool. So we have Harley. We've got a Batman mug so far. Very, very awesome. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is crazy. This is awesome. So this is a Superman wall decal. Look at this thing. That is incredible. Look at this. Look at that. So it comes in 5 different pieces, but it's this massive wall decal. That is awesome. You can see the size of the fist, how big this thing is going to be on your wall. This is so cool. It's peel and stick. Isn't that awesome right there? Look at that, guys. That is so neat. Oh, I cannot wait to put this on a wall and see what it looks like. But how cool is that? That is so neat. I love it. Okay, really great stuff this month. I love this box. This box has been great so far. This is awesome. Okay, what else is in here? All right, we also have a... Oh, this is awesome. This is a Peacemaker shirt. This is so cool. Look at that. Look at this. It's got, of course, John Cena on the front. That is awesome. I am a major fan of Peacemaker. Really enjoyed the show. My wife and I watched the entire thing. We thought it was hilarious, but look at that. That is awesome. It is in, yep, it's in my size, which is absolutely great. I will definitely be sporting this on the channel. Again, look at that, guys. Peacemaker t-shirt. That is awesome. That is awesome. Okay, this box has been very, very cool so far. I love these mystery things. I've figured out what is inside. Let's see. I think we've got one more item here. Yep. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Make sure I got everything. Yep. Look at this. This is an omnibus, guys. This is an omnibus. This is crazy. This is the Injustice Gods Among Us Omnibus. Volume number 1. Look at this thing. You guys know I collect Omnibus on the channel and Absolutes from DC Comics. This is crazy. Look at the size of this thing. It is awesome. A god gone mad and the heroes who seek to set it right. That is awesome. Again, Volume 1, Injustice. This is classic right here. This is absolutely fantastic. So again, we have an omnibus this month, which is crazy. We have the Peacemaker shirt, which is awesome. We've got the wall decal, which is really, really cool. We've got Harley, and we've got the mug, the tumbler. This is incredible. What an crazy month this has been. It's so awesome and so cool to be a DC ambassador. Again, you guys can check out all these things in the link down below in the description. Definitely check it out. This video is sponsored by Warner Brothers, and I'm a DC ambassador. And let me know in the comments what you guys like, which ones you think you might pick up. Let me know for sure. Otherwise, thank you guys so very much for checking out the video today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time right here. Bye, everybody.